Breaking news bafethu, Khuliso Mudau is injured. Ulimele uKhuliso Mudau bafethu. Asazi ukuthi kuzoba i-long term injury or kuzoba injury short. But le injury lena ifika ngesikhathi esi-wrong kakhulu la Bafana imdinga khona neMamelodi Sundowns la imdinga khona kakhulu. Sikhumbule ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns idila ne-injury enye yeplayer bafethu, uMdunyelo. So uMdunyelo ureplace uKhuliso Mudau, uqala isizini udlale kahle kakhulu baze bamselect Bafana naye umfowethu ulimele. So two right backs weMamelodi Sundowns ilimele. So but yakuMudau bafethu ibuhlungu kakhulu. Why? Because uMudau is the best right back in the country by far. Akekho umuntu close to uMudau. I mean before i-injury yakhe laphana udlala kahle kakhulu, i-composure, ukwazi ukucontrol igame, ukwazi ukuya phambili, ukwazi ukudefenda, une-aggression. uKhuliso Mudau udlala with sense of ease, like akatatazeli, like no mistake. 90 minutes yonke lo muntu lo akalenzi iphutha nix, and iside lakhe lihlezi li-strong. It's very rare ukuthi abantu or bam-expose kulela side lela, noma ama-teams a-create ama-opportunities mekhona laphana uMudau. Uya phambili u-strong, uyemuva u-strong. I mean qala ama-counter attacks, is tracking back, assisted defense. So they will miss him. Asazi ukuthi uzoba out nini, but isithemba ukuthi injury nje encane bafethu, into endlulayo akusiyo into ezomcindezela ezomkhipha out for some time, because bayamdinga kuMamelodi Sundowns, bayamdinga kuBafana. Just nje in the next few days bafethu iBafana iyodlala ama-crucial World Cup qualifiers awu-2 against Rwanda, against Zimbabwe, bazomdinga. And esikhumbula ukuthi kune-crisis-ke manje abadila nayo laphana kuBafana bafethu. uMdunyelo akekho, uThabiso Munyana akekho, nangu uMudau manje akekho. Hopefully khona ozorecovera just in time ukuthi akwazi ukuba khona ku-camp yeBafana. But-ke sobona, because umuntu melimele engadlalanga for some time udinga isikhathi sokuthi abe fit. Akavele kuthiwa okay sekafit-ke manje sekayadlala, no, ama-step by steps. So Khuliso Mudau, it was just sad for me to witness it izolo ngimbona aphuma laphana nge-injury. But njengoba bengisho ukuthi let's hope akusiyi injury ebad. Khuliso Mudau ama-qualities wakhe siyawazi maningi kakhulu. I mean bengadlali laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns because bekukhulunywa ngey'ndaba zama-contracts and stuff. But-ke ubuyile, guess what, mebuya bekubonakala ngathi akaze angabi khona. Ufithe in nje with easy. Akazange ngempela struggle ukufitha laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. That is why simbona nakwamanye amagame edlala. I-superstar umjida, no one is close to yena. I mean ama-qualities wakhe wonke siyawazi. Bamsayina bamsayina zithi ku-Black Leopard, if angenza iphutha, or kuPolokwane City lapho bamsayina kuMamelodi Sundowns. Wafika kuMamelodi Sundowns waphefomela kahle. So this is a major blow bafethu for iMamelodi Sundowns neBafana. I mean i-dominance yakhe laphana, I mean u-restless la muntu laphana ku-right back. I-heartbeat yeMamelodi Sundowns defense, and futhi is one of the most consistent performers e-South Africa. So i-injury-ke yakhe, I mean akabi injured lo muntu lona for Yellow Nation, is forever present. But-ke this is not just an injury bafethu. I mean i-cause of i-dominance yeMamelodi Sundowns neBafana. Obviously-ke naye umfana khona ama-team bekuthiwa ayamfuna, kungenzeka ahambe kuMamelodi Sundowns if they don't agree on ama-terms nezinye izinto. But before sikhuluma ngingene deep kule injury-ke, uMudau bafethu akusi-defender nje kuphela, i-warrior lo muntu lo, aggressively ugijima 90 minutes yonke, u-fearless week in and week out. He gives everything laphana inside the field of play, whether i-CAF Champions League, whether i-PSL, ama-cup games, whether kuBafana against ama-tough encounters laphana. uSailor bafethu uperforma njalo for the past season. I mean i-energy yakhe yoku-overlap, yokurecovera nge-pace, I mean umuntu ngempela ongeke umkhohlwe uma umbukela. But for now i-engine yakhe-ke bafethu imisiwe kancane because of injury. Let's hope i-injury izomthatha ama-few weeks ukuthi abe khona kulokhu njanini. I-AFCON lezodlala ngo-December. Silinde ukuthi laphana eTlorkop confirm ukuthi injury yakhe izomthatha isikhathi esingakanani. But kubonakala ngathi into yama-muscle, izinto ezinjalo, re-hamstring lapho nje. But-ke you will be missing several key matches if kuzoba into ezomthatha amaviki ukuthi alokhu njani abuye. Sazi ukuthi mebuya, because ama-players mebuya kwi-injury abuya angafani, but uKhuliso Mudau ngiyamthemba. Mamelodi Sundowns izodlala ama-match amaningi kakhulu ku-continental level, neBafana Bafana kanti ngapha izodlala ngapha i-Betway Premiership. And then I mean lela side lakhe ku-right back sebazoqala ukulithagetha Khuliso Mudau uma engekho because uyi-stand out performer. I mean masibheka laphana ama-Mamelodi Sundowns me-attack-a uKhuliso Mudau uyakwazi ukuphusha up high, a-create like say overload ukuthi ama-oppositions ama-wingers wakhona nawo a-defende deep. Mekudifendwa uye umuntu isikhathi esiningi like i-first line of i-defense especially laphana esayidini lakhe is putting i-pressure laphana kuma-flanks. Uhlezi awina-ke ama-duels or makuliwa 50-50 uhlezi awina and une-pace eserious. So without uMudau iMamelodi Sundowns iluza laphana i-speed ku-transition, iluza i-speed ku-defense intensity, ukupenetrate laphana ku-right wing overall. Sobona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngempela, but-ke akhona ama-obvious choice laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Thapelo Morena uye-ke obvious choice ozodlala because naye u-versatile, u-fast, une-experience, but-ke unokusetshenziswa as a-winger ulona uMorena or asetshenziswe as a-wing back in recent games or in recent years nje laphana. But-ke sobona ukuthi bazoyishintsha kanjani nanokuthi technically i-approach izoba kanjani since uKhuliso Mudau kungenzeka angabi khona, maybe he's out for a couple of weeks or so, or because uyabona wathinteka angeke bakudlalise next game, there's no way bamdlalise the very next game. But the coolest thing inhlanhla yakuthi for 2 weeks kuyobe kudlala ilo oBafana Bafana i-FIFA break, so mhlawumbe uzokwazi ngempela ukuthola ukuba nesikhathi okwamanje ukuthi akwazi ukurecovera kahle without i-pressure e-serious laphana. But-ke sobona ukuthi uzomisa izinto kanjani for ilokhunjana iMamelodi Sundowns na for iBafana Bafana, nanokuthi bazokwazi ukudlala without i-star player sabo bafethu, because it's not just a player oyi-superstar umjida, superstar bayamdinga ku-internationally, bayamdinga na-local. But-ke iBafana Bafana iBafana Bafana bafethu isenkingeni kakhulu because omunye olimele futhi uMobi lo wakuSwelele FC naye ulimele akekho available, so sobona ukuthi bazodlalisa bani kuleya position leya. KuBafana Bafana I think ama-options wabo kungaba uSolomon we-Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know, uLibitso we-Orlando Pirates, I don't know, but sobona. But uMorena ukhona, uMorena ukuthi asivalele lesi sikhala lesa for iBafana Bafana, but kumele babe ne-backup, sobona ukuthi i-backup yabo kuzoba ubani, cause a-few ngempela ama-player laphana. Bengicabanga umuntu we-TS Galaxy, but yeah, no. But yeah, sobona ukuthi i-coach uthi izobiza bani if kuyenzeka uMudau ukuthi angabi available.